Perform 50 push-ups and see how your body changes. Push-ups are highly challenging, but the truth is it is a powerful exercise for increasing your strength, which has to be included in your daily routine. They don't need any special equipment and can be performed anywhere. If you are a person who does not have any time for the gym, then push-ups are the best choice because they work on several muscles at once. So, today we will understand how push-ups can change our bodies. Let us start with the benefits. The push-up helps strengthen the entire upper body as well as develop lean muscles. It stabilizes and tones them. It targets the muscles in your shoulders, arms, and chest. Although push-ups mainly engage the shoulders and arms, they are also useful for strengthening the legs and core. They are useful for building strength all through the body. Also, if you are looking for a workout that helps you burn your calories, then I must say push-ups are a great choice, as they engage multiple muscles. It means more number of muscles involved will burn more calories. On the other hand, it also stimulates your metabolism and helps in improving your blood circulation, which will help you from any kind of disease, especially for athletes and sportsmen. Push-ups can help them perform well because push-ups increase strength and maintain the ultimate energy required for the body. Once you are comfortable with performing basic push-ups, you can increase the difficulty by adding different types of push-ups to your workout routine. You can also take up a push-up challenge and increase the count day by day. Types of push-ups. If you are regular with push-ups, you can try out different types of push-ups like one-arm push-up, wide hands push-up, clap push-ups, triangle push-up, flying push-ups, cross-body push-up, pike push-up, archer push-up, Spider-Man push-up. These are some of the push-ups you can try adding to your daily workout. Now let us discuss some of the precautions to be taken care of while performing push-ups. The downside of performing the same workout every day is that after a while, your body will no longer be challenged. Hence, there won't be any effect of that particular workout on your body, and you no longer get any results. This is because when you perform any workout, your muscles will be stressed, and this creates a tendency that results in a change in your body. And when you continue to do the same routine, it gets habituated, and there won't be any major results. For a beginner, it's safe to start on your knees. Do not try performing push-ups directly. Always start with knee push-ups. Always perform push-ups in a proper form to avoid any sort of injuries. For example, if you don't perform push-ups correctly, you can get lower back or shoulder pain. Do not perform push-ups if you are sick or weak. It's always safe to perform any kind of exercise only when you are healthy and strong. Do not overdo push-ups. This might lead to different problems. First of all, if you keep repeating the same form, your body won't be challenged. So, keep modifying your push-ups by trying different types of push-ups. Secondly, if you overdo push-ups, it might consume a lot of energy, for which you need to make sure to consume enough protein, or you might lose weight. It is always safe when you have a workout partner because while performing push-ups, the foremost important thing is doing it in a proper form, so when you have a friend who can look after your form, you can always perform well. See you in our next video. Till then, please do like and share this video. Thank you.